wait is finally over! After months of frustration, Disney Plus has officially fixed its 4K HDR streaming issues, and this is huge news for Apple TV 4K users, Samsung Smart TV owners, and really, anyone who streams movies and shows in high quality. For the past few months, subscribers noticed something wasn't right. Movies and shows that were supposed to shine in Dolby Vision or HDR10 just didn't look the way they should. Frame rates weren't matching correctly. Dynamic range was inconsistent. Scenes that should have been cinematic ended up feeling jittery or washed out. In other words, one of the world's biggest streaming services wasn't delivering the premium quality that fans were paying for. But with the latest update, Disney Plus, app version 4.11.0, those problems are gone. Apple TV 4K users can now enjoy perfect frame rate matching and proper dynamic range switching across all content. Whether you're watching a blockbuster Marvel film, a drama series, or a Disney classic, playback now looks exactly as intended. What's fixed on Apple TV 4K? Let's break down what this update means in real-world terms. With version 4.11.0, Thunderbolts runs in 24Hz Dolby Vision, giving that smooth cinematic movie feel. Only Murders in the Building streams at 23.9768 SDR, perfect for episodic TV. X-Men plays in 23.976 HDR10 with bright, punchy visuals. Doctor Who streams at 25Hz Dolby Vision, balancing motion and detail. This might sound technical, but here's the bottom line. Disney Plus is now accurately matching your TV's output to the content, so every scene looks as filmmakers intended. Even better. This fix works no matter which Apple TV system you're running, tvOS 18 or tvOS 26. And unlike before, exiting and reopening the Disney Plus app doesn't break the settings. Everything just works. Fixes for Samsung Smart TVs, too. It's not just Apple users celebrating. Disney has also resolved the 4K HDR issues on Samsung Smart TVs. That means HDR10 playback is back, brighter and more colorful than ever. If you own a Samsung panel, you just need to update the Disney Plus app, and you'll be good to go. This is especially important since Samsung has been pushing HDR10 Plus in its 2025 TVs. And Disney's work on supporting HDR10 Plus was believed to be at the root of these problems. Now it seems Disney is getting everything in place for a smoother HDR future. Why this matters? Apple TV 4K has long been considered the gold standard for streaming devices. With its A15 Bionic chip, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, AirPlay, and HomeKit support, it's the fastest, smoothest, and most reliable way to watch streaming apps on the big screen. But when Disney Plus started breaking frame rate and HDR playback, that reputation took a hit. With this update, Apple TV 4K is back on top, not just for Disney Plus, but as the ultimate streamer for anyone who values picture quality, smooth motion, and flawless sound. Top streaming devices in 2025 now. While Apple TV 4K is amazing, it's not the only option out there. If you're considering a new streaming device, here are the top contenders this year. Apple TV 4K 3rd Gen, the smoothest interface, fastest performance, and best for Apple ecosystem users. Handles Dolby Vision and Atmos perfectly. Rumors suggest a refreshed model coming later in 2025, but the current one is still excellent. Roku Ultra, 2024-2025 edition, Roku's most powerful box, offering Dolby Vision, Atmos, Ethernet, and a voice remote pro with Find My Remote. Best for users who prefer a simple ad-supported content hub. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max 2nd Gen, optimized for Alexa homes. Comes with Wi-Fi 6E, Dolby Vision Atmos, and extra storage for apps. Fast app loading makes it great for Prime Video power users. Chromecast with Google TV, HD, and 4K models. Affordable, feature-rich, and perfect for YouTube and Google fans. The 2025 update added customizable buttons and Find My Remote. Strong integration with Google Assistant. These devices cater to different needs. If you're an Apple fan, go with Apple TV. Want free content and simplicity? Roku wins. Alexa users should stick with Fire TV, while YouTube lovers will feel right at home with Chromecast. Best smart TVs of 2025, of course, if your TV is old or you want a full upgrade. The 2025 Smart TV lineup is packed with amazing choices. LG C5 C4 OLED, a balance of performance and price. Perfect Blacks, HDMI 2.1, VRR, 120Hz refresh, and AI-driven WebOS personalization. Great for cinephiles and gamers alike. Sony Bravia 8 II, premium cinematic accuracy with Dolby Vision, Atmos, and Google TV built in. ideal for those who want natural colors, smooth motion, and PlayStation integration. Samsung S95F OLED and Neo QLED, bright anti-reflective panels, Vision AI upscaling, and even Microsoft Copilot AI built into the TV for voice-powered recommendations. Hisense U8 and TCL QM series, Mini LED, the budget-friendly kings of 2025, delivering high brightness, 120 144Hz refresh rates, and impressive HDR without the OLED price tag. Roku Pro Series Mini LED combines Roku's simple, free content-heavy OS with high-contrast Mini LED panels. Affordable and straightforward, new features in 2025 this year isn't just about hardware. Streaming platforms are becoming smarter. Samsung Copilot AI helps you find content, get spoiler-free recaps, and control your TV with natural conversations. Google TV updates brought better security, remote customization, and handy new tools like Find My Remote. Roku OS is doubling down on free ad-supported TV fast, offering one of the biggest collections of free content. LG WebOS 2025 personalizes picture quality and adds gamer-friendly updates like improved VRR and latency. Buying guide, which should you choose? Here's how to decide. Already have a good TV? Get a streaming device. Apple TV 4K for the premium experience, Roku Ultra for simplicity, Fire TV Stick for Alexa households, and Chromecast for Google fans. Upgrading your screen? Movie lovers, LG C-Series OLED or Sony Bravia 8 II. Bright rooms, Samsung S95F OLED or Neo QLED. Sports and gaming fans, Hisense U8 or TCL QM series. Budget buyers, Roku Pro Series TVs. Unlike cheaper streaming sticks, Apple TV 4K is powered by the same A15 Bionic chip that you'd find in iPhones. This gives it lightning-fast performance, zero lag, and instant app switching. Whether you're watching Disney+, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, or Apple TV+, you'll get seamless playback with HDR10, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision support. Paired with Dolby Atmos audio, the experience feels truly cinematic. Gaming power with Apple Arcade Apple TV isn't just about movies and shows, it's also a solid gaming device. With Apple Arcade, you can connect a PlayStation or Xbox controller and play console-like games directly on your TV. And thanks to the Metal graphics engine, visuals look sharper and gameplay runs smoothly at higher frame rates. tvOS 18 and tvOS 26. AI-powered features Apple TV runs on tvOS, and in 2025 the platform is smarter than ever. With tvOS 18 and the upcoming tvOS 26, Apple is adding more personalization, AI-powered recommendations, and even better integration with iPhones and iPads. You can use your iPhone as a remote, mirror your screen instantly, or hand off media from your Apple Watch or iPad to the big screen. Disney Plus fix and streaming advantage recently. Disney Plus rolled out a fix for playback issues on Apple TV 4K, making it once again the best device for 4K HDR streaming. Frame rate matching, Dolby Vision, and HDR playback are now flawless, something that competing devices like Fire Stick or Chromecast often struggle with. Final verdict in 2025. Your streaming experience depends on two things: the device or platform you choose, and the panel technology of your TV. Disney Plus fixing its 4K HDR playback is a massive win for Apple TV 4K, restoring it as the best streaming device on the market. But whether you go with an external box or a brand new smart TV, the choices in 2025 are smarter, brighter, and more powerful than ever.